One God. Ways. Welcome back. Hello, Dr. Ari. Welcome.
I'm fine now.
Boss, I mean, maybe you guys can help me.
Okay, maybe go this side.
I mean, you guys should come here. Make you all guys come here. Move on to sing one. The microphone. Come to this.
Okay, so your family, your TECNO family is here. You decided to spend your birthday outside of the shores of Ghana. Yeah, so we kept your cake.
Thank you.
We kept your cake. We couldn't just eat it without you, so we kept your cake. So, manager, are we permitted to bring the cake?
Of course you are.
All right.
You can't eat my cake. You say we couldn't eat it without you. It's my cake. It's not even yours. You even think of it. Wow.
Alright, so let's put it here.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear one God. Happy birthday to you.
Someone said, don't feel nothing. Happy birthday, Lumpuro.
Okay, so
thank you guys. I'm really grateful for this. I wasn't expecting this at all. This is not the usual thing. Hold on, social distance. I said, I hope I look right for the cameras. Thank you guys. I ran away small off the mic. No bias. Thank you very much. I'm so grateful for this, you know. On my birthday, I felt a lot of love, you know, social media love. You know, but I'm definitely grateful because, I mean, that's the new way, that's the new norm. People express their feeling towards you via all means, which social media plays a big part. I tell you what, I have not even replied 5% of the messages yet. So now that I'm back home, I'll find every weekend and be replying small. So thank you guys. I love you guys so much. I really appreciate the care, the love, the good wishes and the thought, especially my TECNO family, my BIM natives, my BIM Nation family globally, my immediate family, you know, my brothers, my sisters, my musicians, my music family as well, the bloggers, the media. I'm super grateful. This one, you guys have caught me at the right time. I was going to slip out through here and go and continue my things. I'm grateful. May this cake as we cut bring all of us more life. As you wish me, may it strengthen our ties together as people, as humans, you know, not only as business partners, you know, not only as media and musicians, but as people that wish other people well. And may this year bring greatness to all of us. And TECNO come on 16, all the TECNO products, all the TECNO branches, all the technocrats. Pick up yourself, you know. You can't say no to tech. So we are leading them when it comes to the tech world. Yes, wow. Thank you very much. Stonebwoy, let's do it again. Answer number. Wow. Like, I wonder how you get your information sometimes. I saw the whole way, we are talk. So we need the whole. Yeah, let's do it again. Basically, TECNO says let's do it again, and I'm surprised. Before I left, I knew that my peoples were in contact and were doing the back and forth, you know. So I was hopeful of something, you know, like I was hoping for a possible, thank you, renewal, and then here we go. Then I'm surprised. Thank you. So the first one, I think I can say the first one has ended, and we're entering into a second phase. So this is phase 2.
Okay, so why retain Stonebwoy again?
With that, I'll give it to.
Sure, of course.
I believe everyone here would attest to the fact that Stonebwoy, is a household name when it comes to our showbiz and also business world. And as such, TECNO will be more than glad, to still partner with him for many more years to come. We've actually yielded a lot of dividends out of this cooperation. We intend to.
Yes, not bad.
Popping this, do we take it as you accept to do it again with TECNO?
Yeah, let's do it again.
Whoa.
Let's do it again. Thank you. To all my fans out there, let's continue to support. Like you guys have always been in support. Like, from time to time, and they also make sure I push them to cut down on some of the things, the prices, some of the products that you guys enjoy the most. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Okay, sauce at the plate. That's a cool.
Okay.
So,
thank you so much, everybody, for coming. Thank you, TECNO. Thank you, all the media people.